Buick Enclave. It was the first luxury crossover vehicle and is still number one. Number one in ride, number one in styling. It doesn't get any better than this car. Luxury leather seats, power, heated, wood grain accents. This car is quiet, handles good, 17 miles at a gallon city, 24 miles at a gallon on the highway. This vehicle is a 7-passenger. The back seat actually has enough room for people to really sit in. It's easy to get to. One lever, slide the seat up. Lots of room. Both seats fold down. 115 cubic feet of cargo space behind the front seats. It doesn't get any better than this. There's actually leg room. There's also heat back here. It's not something that the driver has all the controls. Controls are right there behind the first row of seats. What's really nice about this car, you've got your AC outlets up top, heat down the bottom. The leather interior is a rugged but soft leather interior. It's made for going out to dinner. It's made for kids. It's made for soccer balls, baseball bats. Side airbags, front airbags, air curtains. This is the safest car, 5-star rollover. This car is just unbelievable. This particular model is equipped with a sunroof, which also comes with a skylight also. And anytime you get a sunroof. Even if all the seats are taken, you still have 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat. Let me tell you about Buick's quiet tuning. Everything from the tire to the entire passenger compartment is different than anything in General Motors. The tires are specially made to be quiet. The bushings on everything in here, the struts, everything is made for the Buick to make it quieter than the competition. Carpeting, denser, the padding 5 times as thick, insulation inside of the sheet metal, it's the thickest. Your headliner, there is no plastic, it's quiet. Everything laminated glass, moldings, weather stripping, leather, the padding in the seat, everything is Buick, everything is luxury.